I knit and crochet a lot, so in order to have a longer knitting or crochet sessions, I like wearing compression gloves. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. So let's see what's inside the box. The gloves. There's a booklet and there's a quick guide. Let's check the gloves. So I got the 2-pair medium-sized gloves, and I like to keep them in my project bags, in my knitting or crochet close to my hooks usually, and crochet needles, crochet hooks and knitting needles. All right, so they fit really well, and let's try crocheting. All right, so I can still hold my yarn and my hook. All right, I can do that. Perfect. The open finger gloves are designed under the guidance of specialists, and I enjoyed comfort with these compression gloves that are made from blend of cotton and spandex, and that felt very good on my skin. I definitely can wear them all day and can knit and crochet and do my everyday tasks effortlessly.